Students, my name is Sumit Mehta. So in today's lecture, we will discuss some question based on power of I and identities. So the first question is express minus 5i into 8i by 8 in a plus iota b form. Okay, so how to proceed with these type of question is, so it is simply on multiplication. This is minus 5i square by 8, which is I square is minus 1, so I can write plus 5 by 8. So there only is, and we have to express this in a plus iota b form. So here a is 5 by 8 and b is 0, so I can write plus 5 by 8 plus 0 iota. So it is the form of a plus b iota. Okay, so now the second part of this question is, similarly we have to express this also in a plus iota b form. Okay, so here we will be using the power of I. So minus I into minus 2i will be minus 2i square into minus I cube by 8 cube. So this will be minus I square is minus 1, so it will be 2 into minus I cube is minus iota, okay, upon 8 cube. So this is coming out to be minus 2 iota upon 8 cube. Okay, and we have to express is a plus iota b, and a here is 0 plus iota times, so it is minus times iota and minus minus plus, so we will get 2 iota upon 8 cube. So this is the answer. So this is how we have to express the question in a plus iota b form. Now let's do some question based on identities which we have discussed earlier in the previous lecture. So students, here is the question which states that express this in the form of, so as we know, the formula of a minus iota b whole cube is a cube minus 3a square b, means 3 5 square 3 iota plus 3ab square minus b cube. So on expanding this is minus 125, 25 into 3 minus 75 into 3 is 225 iota plus 15 into 9 is 135 iota square minus 27 iota cube. So this will be 125 minus 225 iota. Iota square is minus 1, so it is minus 135, and iota cube is minus iota, so it is plus 27 iota. So this is coming out to be minus 225 plus 27 is minus 198 iota minus 10. Okay, so this is the answer, and a here is minus 10 and b here is minus 198 by equating this with a plus iota b. So student, these type of questions might come into exam in where you have to express this into the form of a plus iota b. Okay, so this is simple identities, based on simple identities that we have discussed so far. Okay, so I hope that you guys are pretty clear about the power of I and the identities based on complex numbers. And if you have still any doubt or any question on this, then please do comment in the comment section. And in the next lecture, we will discuss about the modulus and the conjugate of a complex number. So stay tuned for next lecture on modulus and conjugate of complex numbers. Thank you. Happy learning.